Have you ever wondered what blood sugar is, how it actually functions in the body, and why it is important to keep it balanced? Well, today I'll be explaining those basic things that will help you to lead a better life as regarding sugar balancing in the body. To start with, let's understand what blood sugar is. Blood sugar or blood glucose is the amount of glucose present in the bloodstream. Glucose is a type of sugar which is the body's main source of energy that comes primarily from the foods we eat, particularly carbohydrates. How does blood sugar works in the body system? Whenever we eat, our bodies break down carbohydrates in food. Food like bread, rice, fruit, and vegetable into glucose, which is later absorbed into the bloodstream. And this process is very necessary for normal bodily function. But this process can also cause the blood sugar level to rise. In order to manage this rise in blood sugar, the pancreas will therefore release insulin, a hormone that helps move glucose from the bloodstream into the cells where it can be used for energy. What happens if the blood sugar level stays too high in the body? In a situation like this, chronic high blood sugar can lead to serious health complications such as diabetes, heart disease, and kidney problems. That's why it's important to maintain balanced blood sugar levels in the body. What are the normal blood sugar levels we should ensure to have? Now, let's talk about what constitutes normal blood sugar levels. Generally, the normal fasting blood sugar levels is between 70 and 100 milligram per day. There are other blood sugar types and ranges that are used for advanced testing. But for this video, I will only talk about the fasting blood sugar. So here is a quick breakdown of what the levels mean. So a fasting blood sugar levels below 70 milligram per day means low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. This condition is not good and can lead to symptoms like dizziness, confusion, and shaking. A blood sugar level at the range of 70 to 100 milligram per day is a normal range for fasting blood sugar, and it means your body is maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. A fasting blood sugar level at the range of 100 to 125 milligram per day can be termed as pre-diabetes, and this indicates that the blood sugar level are higher than normal, but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. And lastly, a fasting blood sugar level of 126 milligram per day or higher signals diabetes. At this level, your body is not regulating blood sugar effectively, and it is a call for proper attention. Let's look at several factors that can affect the blood sugar levels. Number one is diet. What we eat are the things that significantly impacts our blood sugar. Foods that are high in refined sugar and carbohydrates can cause rapid spike in blood sugar level. Secondly, physical activities. Exercise can lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity by allowing the body cells to use glucose more effectively. Even a short walk or little exercise after a meal can help to maintain blood sugar level. But in the absence of physical exercise, the body might be at the risk of production of high sugar levels. Then thirdly, we look at stress. Whenever the body is stressed, the body system releases hormones like cortisol, which can raise blood sugar levels. That's why managing stress either through relaxation techniques or mindfulness is so important. Then fourthly, we look at sleep. Poor sleep can also affect the body's ability to use insulin effectively, and this can lead to elevated blood sugar levels. Therefore, prioritizing good sleep practice can help to support better blood sugar management in the body. Now, we'll be looking at how we can monitor blood sugar. People with diabetes or those at high risk of diabetes should know that monitoring of blood sugar level is very essential. Blood glucose monitors allows you to check your sugar level at home. Typically, this involves pricking your fingers with a small device to obtain a drop of blood and testing it with a glucose test strip. And within a few seconds, you have your results. Secondly, continuous glucose monitor. This is another option for monitoring sugar level. It provides real-time data about your blood sugar level throughout the day and night. This can help the user to understand how different food activities and stressors affect the sugar levels. So now that we have a better understanding of what blood sugar is let's discuss some quick tips for maintaining healthy sugar level in the body. The first one is by eating balanced diet. This can be achieved by incorporating a mix of complex carbohydrates, lean protein, and healthy fats into your meals. And this can help to maintain steady blood sugar levels in the body. Number two is by staying active. Engaging in regular physical activity, even simple activity like walking or dancing, can help to stabilize the blood sugar level in the body. Number three is proper monitoring of sugar level. People with diabetes or those who are at risk of diabetes should ensure to monitor their blood sugar regularly, as this can help to detect any irregularities as early as possible. Number four is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help the kidney to flush out excess sugar through urine, but note that too much water intake can lead to water intoxication. Therefore, do everything in moderation. Number five is by managing stress and getting enough sleep. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each day. So, in conclusion, blood sugar is crucial for maintaining overall health, especially for those at risk of diabetes. By keeping your blood sugar level balanced, you are taking essential steps towards better health and well being. So, this is where we'll be wrapping up the show for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more informative health content, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, I will see you. Stay healthy and stay safe. I am Oludaisi Olukayode. See you some other time. Bye bye.